So let's have a closer look at how you can customize and organize your media area. There's a few ways to do it, starting from how you want to see this list of files. You can go for thumbnails and you can decide if you want them to be square or proportional to your media size. You can decide how big this should be, from tiny to huge. Let's go for middle. You can sort in different ways. If you're like me, you might prefer having a list view with more information up front. And the other cool thing about the list view is that you can also customize the columns. So add more columns, reorder them, delete columns that you might not need. Going back to thumbnails, of course we show thumbnails for images and for videos. For audio, there's the nice little bonus that you can play audio right here. Hey there, DatoCMS, you make my web design shine. And that was a bit awkward. Let's move forward and see how you can locate any asset you might need. We have a search over here that is very cool, because not only does it search in the file name, but it also searches inside the metadata. What this means is that I get, in this case, all files that have icon in their file name, but also other stuff like this YouTube icon that simply has a tag, manual tag icon over here. The other way that you can combine also with search is filters, and filters are a very powerful way to dig into your assets. There's plenty of filters. I will not go through all of these, of course, but just to have an example, let's say that I want icons that are only in a certain file extension, and say I want all icons that are PNG. There we go. There's 6 of them, and I can also save this filter for later use and say, okay, I want to save this filter. I want to name it icons in PNG. I might also add an emoji if I feel like it, which I don't at the moment. And you can share the filter. So basically you can make this filter available to all users of your project. And there we go. It's right over here. So let's say that I remove everything. I click here and yeah, there we go. Finally, there's bulk actions that you can perform. Specifically, you can select multiple files and delete them or tag them all with a manual tag.